Lotto results.
Magandang niya tayo, Bernard. Dahil kayo yan, iti PCSO Lotto result tayo. Today's March 24 draw, 9 p.m. draw. For Grand Lotto 655, winning combinations are number 21, number 30, 27, 38, 29, and 3. With a jackpot prize of 153,619,797.20. Awan na nga bak. Better luck next time. Para metiti, Mega Lotto 645. Winning combinations are number 14, 17, 38, 1, 18, and 19. With a jackpot prize of 24,600,271. Daksang gasat tawan na nga bak. Ken paramet iti PCSO STL March 24, 2025 draw first ball or first draw 14-13, second draw 13-24, Ken third draw 29-34. Congratulations! Datang aro iti Grand Lotto 655 ken Mega Lotto 645 ken PCSO STL. Siak na Idol Shanti Papi, Tatak RMN.
IFM News.